Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Google Antigravity, that is version 2.0 on Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Google Antigravity download. Hit enter. So that will show you this antigravity.google. You need to go to the official site of Antigravity. Once when you're here, you will see that it is available for macOS, Windows and Linux. This time they have Google Antigravity 2.0, then Google Antigravity CLI, and finally Google Antigravity IDE as well. So this Google Antigravity 2.0 is a bit different from traditional Google Antigravity IDE that we are used to. I'll show you all of that. So first in this video, I'm going to talk about Google Antigravity 2.0. You can see for Windows minimum requirement is Windows 10, and for Linux these are all the minimum requirement, and same goes for macOS as well. So for Windows I'm going to just simply click on this download for x64. You can see it's rightly started downloading. Once downloaded, just simply click on the exe. You can minimize your browser. Here is our Google Antigravity setup and it has rightly opened. You can see desktop shortcut also created over here. Remember, this is Antigravity 2.0 and there you go. Welcome to Google Antigravity. So here it is also telling whether you like to download Antigravity IDE as well. We definitely want that, so always check this and click on explore the new Antigravity. And here we need to log in. So click on continue with Google. So here you need to click on your email ID and you need to sign in. So click on open Antigravity and you go back to your Google Antigravity 2.0 and you can see success. Next it is telling whether you like to improve Google Antigravity by allowing some of the data that is only going to help to improve the product. So you can go ahead with that. It totally depends upon you. If you don't want, you can uncheck this and you can proceed. I'll check this and I'm going to click on next. Next it's going to load all these different plugins. So with the help of all different plugins, you will be able to connect with different Google products, starting from Android, Modern Web Guidance, or Google SDK, Science, Firebase, Home Dev Tool, and all that. So you can select any you want. I'm going to select Modern Web Guidance and I'm going to click Finish. You can see it is ready open. So this is the interface of our Google Antigravity. So you can click on this Antigravity and you can see the version. This is the latest version, and as you click on these models, you can see you have all these three different models, starting from Gemini 3.5 Flash. So this is really fast. I have used it on some of my projects. Then you have the old Gemini 3.1 Pro, as well as you are going to also get Claude Sonnet 4.6 and even Opus 4.6 as well. And of course you are also going to get GPT open source model as well. So we'll go with the Gemini 3.5 Flash and I'll just give slash and you're going to see all these different commands. So I'll go with goal and I'm going to create a rock paper scissors application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, a very simple application. So let's start building it. So you have given command as goal, so you're not going to interrupt anywhere for user input. It's going to just straight build application and then only it's going to end. And it is really super fast. And there you go. You can see that our app is now rightly created. So let's run our app. So click on submit. You can see that our rock paper scissors game is rightly created and it has also opened on our browser. So let's start playing. I'll choose rock. So there is a clash. I lose because computer chooses paper. This time I'll select scissor and I win. Right, so that's how you install Google Antigravity. Right, on my next video I'm going to show you how to install Google Antigravity IDE and how to use it. So don't forget to watch my next video. And do subscribe our channel and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.